Good evening everyone. So tonight, andito tayo sa Skyway. We're about to turn dito sa NAIA X. So for tonight, I would like to quickly talk about yung recent changes sa speed limit ng NAIA X. If you frequently pass by dito sa NAIA X, I'm sure you have observed na nagpalit ng mga speed signages itong NAIA X. Before kasi it's used to be 60 kilometers per hour. Pero I think last week pinalitan nila to 80 kilometers per hour. So walang confirmation before if they will really increase the speed limit. But a few days ago, nagbigay na ng statement si SMC Tollways na yung speed limit nga will be increased from 60 kilometers per hour to 80 kilometers per hour starting January 15. And then yung sa stage 3, yung from Makati going towards NLEX, will increase then from 60 to 80 starting January 20. So is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down move by SMC Tollways? To start, bakit nga ba 60 kilometers per hour lang ang limit nila dito sa NAIA X at saka sa Skyway Stage 3? Wherein yung Skyway Stage 1 naman and 2 is 80 kilometers per hour starting from Makati to Alabang. I think ang reason for this is yung Makati to Alabang na Skyway kasi is mostly straight line lang. Walang masyadong curve compared to NAIA X. Kagaya nito, meron siyang turn going towards the toll gate. Tapos may turn pa again pagdating dito sa may before mag-Terminal 1 and 2. And then of course, we all know yung Skyway Stage 3. Madami din siyang curve. Tapos sometimes nagnanarrow yung mga lanes. And that I think is the number one consideration ng SMC for putting up a 60 kilometer per hour limit to ensure yung safety ng mga motorists. Kasi of course, hindi naman kasi lahat ng drivers can maintain yung line while driving at let's say 80 kilometers per hour. So they need to consider yung mga new drivers, yung mga inexperienced drivers that might pass through dun sa Skyway na mahihirapan to stay in lane turning at 80 kilometers per hour. Kaya maganda yung clause na nilagay pa rin ng Skyway na yes, 80 kilometers per hour yung maximum natin sa NAIA X and Skyway, but on those sections na curve siya, we need to slow down to 60 kilometers per hour. At least with this implementation, makakasave pa rin tayo ng time kasi we can speed up at least up to 80 kilometers per hour kapag straight, kagaya na like this one, pwede tayo mag-80, and then every time we approach a curve, mag-slow down lang tayo ng konti to 60 para at least safe tayo when approaching the turns. Siguro ang nakikitang challenge ko lang sa implementation na to is yung clear markings to indicate kung saan yung section na 60 kilometers per hour lang, saan yung pwedeng mag 80 kilometers per hour. Kasi what I have observed dito sa NAIA X is hindi clear kailan ka mag-slow down, kailan ka pwedeng mag-speed up. Dun sa may bandang unahan, may instances kasi na approaching a turn pero may nakalagay na signage na 80. As a motorist, medyo confusing sa akin yon kasi yes, it's approaching a turn pero may nakasulat na 80 kilometers per hour. So mamaya ipapakita natin yung area na yun na may nakasulat na 80 kilometers per hour pero a few meters away na siya doon sa left-hand turn or left-hand na curve. Aside from that one, I have no complaints sa implementation na to kasi yung 60 kilometers per hour talaga that they are implementing before is para sa akin masyadong mabagal, especially if maluwag naman yung kalsada, let's say on an off-peak hour and of course kapag Sunday yung 60 is medyo mabagal lang talaga. So ito yung section na sinasabi ko na approaching a turn, pero ayun, may 80 kilometers per hour na signage. So medyo pa-curve kasi to going to the left. So as a motorist, parang confusing lang na may signage ka like that one, may 80 sa gilid, tapos sa floor mo it's 60 kilometers. So two contradicting speed limit. So 80 yung nasa poste, tapos 60 yung nakaprint sa kalsada. So alin ba talaga yung magiging speed limit on this particular section? Ayun, so para sa akin lang, if they can clearly set yung mga boundaries or yung mga sections kung saan 60, saan 80, that will help yung mga motorists natin to really comply with the speed limit. But overall, para sa akin, maganda itong naging new implementation ng SMC Tollways. Kasi kagaya nga nung nabanggit nila, this will improve or mapapabilis yung flow of traffic, especially dito sa NAIA X at saka sa Skyway Stage 3. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to discipline din naman eh. So tayo as a motorist, we need to be responsible of our speed. So take into consideration palagi yung safety ng other motorists. So this one, sweeping right naman siya. So I think this section, they will implement a 60 km/h limit. But we'll see in the next few weeks maybe. I'm sure they will do some improvements pa when it comes to una yung information dissemination, kasi nga hindi pa lahat aware with this new implementation, and then hopefully they can put up clear signages in the future kung saan ba yung mga sections sa 60, saan yung 80 km/h. But yes, this is overall a thumbs up implementation of SMC Tollways. Kahit pa paano makakatulong to speed up yung traffic dito sa NAIA X and Skyway Stage 3. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video discussion, and if you like watching yung mga weekend rides, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.